welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how I got this style. Okay, it's very simple. I might not show you the process, but if you see how this hair was looking, just look at this is how this hair was looking, and I have to convert it to this. So if you want to learn more of how to style your hairs, how to treat your hair, how to make your hair look more beautiful, please subscribe to my page. Subscribe. I will be teaching you how to wig. I have video already on how to wig. I have some videos on how you can style your hairs. I have some videos of so many videos about hairs, how you can identify fake and real hairs. So anything you need to know about hair, guys, subscribe to my channel so you will not be missing the good things so nobody can cheat you again because of hair. Okay, so thank you guys. Do well to subscribe, like, and follow my page. I love you guys. Thank you.